Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this domestic worker gratuity calculator. I'll go through each step and do a live example so you can see how easy it is to get the gratuity calculations for a domestic worker in the UAE. Let's jump in. Why you use this calculator? Before we get started, here is why this tool is useful. Figuring out gratuity by hand can get confusing, especially when you are dealing with different contract types and termination circumstances. This calculator simplifies everything for you. Whether you are an employer trying to be accurate or a worker planning your finances, this tool is a big help. So let's go to how to use the calculator with example values. Alright, let's go through it step by step and enter some example values so you can see how it works in real time. Contract type. First, let's choose the contract type. For example, I'll select limited. This means the worker has a fixed term contract with a specific end date. End of service circumstances. Next, I'll choose the end of service circumstances as termination. This is important because the gratuity calculations can vary if the worker resign versus if they are terminated. Start date. Let's say the worker started on 1 January 2020. I'll enter that as the start date. This marks the beginning of their employment. End date. For the end date, let's assume the worker employment ended on 1st November 2024. This gives us exactly 4 years of service, which we will use to calculate the gratuity. Basic salary. Now we need the basic salary. I'll enter 3000 AED as the monthly basic salary just for this example. The gratuity calculation will use this salary to determine the final amount. Alright. With everything filled out, let's hit calculate gratuity and see what we get. And here is the result. Based on a 4-year limited contract with monthly basic salary of 3000 AED and termination circumstances, the gratuity amount is displayed right here. The calculator follows UAE labor laws, which is why it gives a reliable estimate. This will be based on one of the standard UAE rules where gratuity is calculated as a certain number of days salary per year of service. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you can calculate gratuity accurately without any hassle. This tool is perfect for employers and workers alike, making it easy to plan ahead.